So, good evening, Ma'am MJ. So, this is the activity 3, the student information. So, same lang siya sa akong recent nga activity. Nagdungog lang ko og register og student info, which is very masave ang akong student info nga giinput. So, first nga akong giadyari, first no is the import stock, which is handle the navigation, and then so akong giadyari, which is the screen of register, I mean screen sa register o screen sa student info. So wala siguro akong gi-add. And then sa about, so sa about, same as old na akong wala ko ina-adyari. So this is basically the information. Wala na ko gilabtan. Also sa contact, same as, wala na ko nahilabtan. And then sa index, so I have here the nausab na nakagidungag. So I have the student registration, which is pressable, and click pressable, and then same as my design sa akong kwan. So same as here button. So then ako usab, so same process nga akong gibuhat dari sa contact about profile. Now once the registration is if ang student is mag-register, no, so i-push niya or i-press niya ang register. So next is the student registration, save info student. So if ang user is na siya o input sa student information, so basically ma-add siya sa save student information. Then here, so there's some of na-add na ko diri, which is the alert image. Kanindo akong na-add. So when the student is something na siya, so just like this, no, so we're using a JSON. So const save data await async storage get item student. So basically this is the part of kanang saving sa information. So if makakuha siya error, which is mo alert siya, error failed to load student information. And then ang const handle delete, which is this one, no, so this is the handler of the delete button. So wait async remove from the student. So basically makuha siya sa student nga na-save sa info, which is the ari nakamit pwede kong use state, no, and then makuha siya og delete alert information, alert deleted student once the delete button is triggered for a while. So next is the register TSX, which is akong gi-add. So import async storage from React Native. So nag-install ta og async storage sa atong React Native, or which is sa atong here sa atong expo. So import as image picker from expo image picker. So ato po lang gi-install si image picker, no, kay para mupit siya o pick picture sa atong local device. And the router from expo router, use effect, and use state from the React. So here nagamit ta og use effects tsaka si use states para kani sila for importing the React function, no, si use effect o si use state. So si use state kay para mo store sa atong value, which is magamit nato siya sa information sa student, which is this use state name, just ID first, and then si use effect naman para mo run sa atong screen, no, siya mo run or mo screen load sa atong same sa discuss na ko na sa use effect, no, mo run. Then import alert image, pressable, scroll view, style sheet, text input, then view. So these are the function of registration, no. So const name, set name, so we're using is use state to store sa information sa student, no. So these are the student, and then the const load student, no. And so const save data await async storage get item from the student. So kanina ugwa taog kuan from the save data, no mukuha ta from the save data, which is kuha na to ang student name, student ID, student course, and the yearly level, email contact, and the profile image. And then if there's something wrong with the information na gi-input or there's something wrong sa input na kuhaanon, is mo error failed to load student information siya. So if there's something wrong, example wataga input og student ID, so kani ang mo alert, which is si alert. Then choose the profile picture, sync, then try const permission, await image picker, request media library permission, sync. So the image picker, no, sa need ta mag-install na sa expo daan, so natay permission to async from our local devices. Then if not permission granted, alert siya og please allow your access photos, no, from the device para then return const result await launch image library async. Then media types image, allows editing true, which is mo crop siya, no, allowed kag mo edit. So aspect is 1:1, quality is 0.8. If not result cancelled, set the profile asset 0, then catch enable to choose profile picture, so try it later, no. Then const handle save async to this is the validation, no. So if there's something wrong nga wala na input diary sa users, is anang naikulang nga wala na input diary, no. So fill out all the fields, and then here for the email, no, snap email includes this. So basically if kulang ang email, walay at email, so please enter the valid email address. And then sa image pod, if walay input na image, which is the error, please choose profile picture. Then const student siya, so constant image siya. Once nakuha na tanan, sa student, no, await async set student to JSON stringify student, and then it will alert student information and student information save. Okay, dayon press to student info. So papalong siya sa student info here. So this is our student info ng oras. Import async storage from the atong gi-install ganina nga si async storage og si wala si quandary si picker image. Then router to export router. Use effect, use stage, which is our React component. Then import, these are the reusable component. So export default functions to the info screen. So load use effect, which is to run, no, dayon atong i-load ang student. Dayon const student async try con save data await from the student. If save data, so mukuha ta kuhaon sa diri na part if ni, and then set name JSON parse save data. If something wrong, catch the error, no, failed to load student information, and then it also can be deleted or pwede niya ma-delete ang student information, no. So mukuha sa siya ang dayon try, dayon mukuha sa async or sa atong local device, then for the removable student, then set student. So kuha na ang mga student nga naka-store sa data, and then deleted or the student information has been deleted, no. And then if catch with error, alert with error. If a student is not student, view. So kung wala yung student is na if. So we're here, no, students registration. So ako na siyang ibutangan daan. So return, then click na to ang photo, which is kani so wala yung gingon nga pwede hindi mo siya ma-edit mga part, then choose and then save. Success, student information save. So student information save. So nasave na siya sa student information save. So we can delete it, no, pwede na to siya ma-edit and pwede na to siya ma-delete, no. So after that, no save after that, no student information has been saved yet. So need na mag-register balik, no. So kanin try na to kana. Then error, please fill out all the try na to i-fill out none your level for email address. Try na to di magbutang og that number. So try. So please enter a valid email address. So butang nato siya og kan dapat gmail.com. So butang pa og photo dapat, no, para mo editable siya. Then save, successful. Then this is the information of the student.